Good morning, student, and welcome to the third video of the three questions. Okay, so we were seeing. Okay, before that, let me tell you, we were on page. Today, we are going to see page number 53. Okay, so we were discussing about the three questions. Now, till now, whatever we have seen, I am just repeating in short. What we have seen? We have seen that there is a king, and the king wants to know the answer of three questions. Okay, what are these three questions? You know, and to know the answers, he made a proclamation, and many people came in his court to give the answers of these three questions. But he did not become satisfied with the answers of all these three questions, and that is why he decided to go to the hermit. Okay, now to go to the hermit means what happened when so many people came in the court and they were giving answers. At that time he felt this would not be the answers. He did not get convinced with the answers, and during that time some of his courtier told him that sir, why don't you do one thing, that there is one hermit. Okay, so you can, and that hermit is known for his wisdom, and it is said that those who goes to him, they get their answers to their queries means. So why don't you go to the hermit and try to find out the answers of your question? And the king felt yes, this may be the option. Okay, and now king is ready to go to the hermit. Now let us see page number 53. I am reading it, second paragraph. You to keep open your textbooks and along with me go on seeing the lines. He decided instead to go to a hermit who was widely renowned for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a small hut in a forest which he never left. He spoke only to a common folk. So the king put on simple clothes and, approaching the hermit's cell, dismounted his horse and left his bodyguards behind. Now what is the condition? Now finally he decided to go to the hermit to find the answer of his question. But that hermit used to live in deep jungles and deep forest. And the important thing was, the hermit was of course the hermit was known for his wisdom, but the hermit did not used to entertain or did not used to meet the kings and the kingdoms. He used to only meet with the common peoples, and that is why the king decided to go to the hermit as a common man. And for that what he did, so okay, one term word is used there, he spoke only to a common folk means people, we can see. Okay, so he used to speak with the people only, common people only, and that's why the king decided to put on the simple clothes. So he put on his simple clothes. He took out all his luxurious clothes and put simple clothes. Then he went to the forest, and from to a safer distance he got down from his horse. Okay, by that distance he went on horse and with army and everything, because he was king. Okay, there was a danger to his life, but from at a safer distance he got down from the horse, and dismounted means getting down from the horse. And not only that, he left his bodyguard there only, and from that he started going towards the hut of the hermit. Same scene we had seen in last year's one of the poem. It was, I hope, regarding some, what was that poet, the name of the poem was, just a minute, it was Tansin. Okay, so Tansin, we saw that there also the sage only used to meet to the common peoples, and that's why King Akbar went to the sage as a common person. The same thing happened here also. Okay, now let us see what happened. Understood? Means now king decided to go. He went there as a common person. He did not take his horses or army or bodyguards, anything. He went alone. Okay, that too in a simple clothes. When the king arrived, the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king but went on digging. The hermit was frail and weak, and each time he struck the ground with a spade and turned over a little earth, he breathed heavily. Now he went to the king went to the king's hut. When he reached the hut, what hermit was doing? So hermit was digging, digging. He was digging the beds, okay, and he was digging the beds in front of his huts. So king went there very politely. King greeted him as good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. Even the hermit greeted him nicely, but whatever work he was doing, the hermit was doing, he did not stop that work. He went on digging the things, or digging the beds, or digging the ground with a spade and turned to a little earth. Now what was happening actually? Let us talk about the hermit first of all. Now how was the hermit? So hermit was frail and weak. Now what is frail? See, this frail word is already we used in one of the lessons. I don't know how many of you remember this lesson. We seen that word in alchemy of nature, okay, in the examples of ants. So frail means weak, frail and weak, and each time he struck the ground, because he was very weak and he was old. So and he was digging the soil with the help of a spade, maybe an instrument we can say, or with the help of which we dig the earth or land. So he was digging the land, but because he was weak, he was each time he used to, with his full strength, he used to stuck on the ground, but the little amount of soil he used to take out. Getting what I am saying? Means हर बार वो जोर से मारता था, लेकिन क्योंकि he was weak, तो थोड़ी सी मिट्टी बाहर निकलती थी, ज़्यादा मिट्टी बाहर नहीं निकलती थी. The king went up to him and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I most need, and to whom should I therefore pay most attention? And what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? So the king went in front of him, and very politely he greeted the hermit, and he asked, Ki, oh wise hermit, I came here to get the answers of my 3 questions, and I heard that you are very wise, and I hope, and I am very sure means ki I will get the answers of 3 questions. And he started telling the 3 questions. Now which were the 3 questions? I hope all of you remember which were the 3 questions. The first question was, what is the right time? Second was, who are the right person or the most important person in our life? And the third one was, what is the right occupation or right thing to do? Okay, these were the 3 questions. So he said ki, I am not getting the answers of 3 questions, these 3 questions, and for that I came to you. So please help me. What hermit did on that, what do you think? And yes, when he was asking the question, he was talking to the hermit. What hermit was doing? So he was continuously going on digging the lands. He was going on digging the land, and every time he was taking a small amount of soil. Okay. Then what hermit said after listening the question? See, the hermit listened to the king but said nothing. Now what happened? The hermit, in the first part only I told you, the hermit actually answered the king, but in a very unique, in a very different manner. So what hermit did? Hermit listened what are the questions of the king, but he went on digging the land. He did not speak to him. He just spat on his hand and resumed digging. Okay, he was going on digging, and in between he stopped for a moment and he spat. Spat, past tense of spit, thukna. So you might know, many times you might have seen when we do something and the handle of that instrument gets sleepy. So what we do? We spat something on our hands. So in the same way the hermit also did. He spat. Okay, and again he resumed the digging. He started digging. Continued with the digging. The king was in the silence for a while. Then, feeling sorry for the hermit, he said, "You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you." Now king expected that he will answer the questions, but hermit was not giving the answers. On the contrary, what he was doing, so he was going on doing his own work. So for some time, king stood there only waiting for the answer. Okay, but what the hermit was doing, so hermit was went on digging the land, and after seeing that he is old person, he is very weak person, and with lot of efforts and power he is trying to take out the soil, but he is not able to take out good amount of soil. And by seeing all these things, king felt very pity for the hermit. And then what he said, he felt very bad, and he was actually a very good king. So by seeing that, he felt pity, and he said, oh my wise hermit, it seems that you are tired, because you are old also, you are tired by digging the land. So do one thing, just handed this spade to me, and let me allow to dig this for you for some time, and by the time you just take the rest. Okay, by doing that, he requested the hermit in that way. And what hermit did, so hermit silently handed over the spade and sat down on the ground. And when he said, give me your spade and let me allow to dig this, hermit did not say anything. Hermit handed over that spade, powder like we can say, handed over that spade to the king, and he went inside the shade, and he started taking rest, but he did not speak anything. Okay, now see the suspense is here. When he had dug 2 beds, the king stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit began to give no answers, but rose, stretched out his hands for the spade, and said, now rest a while and let me work a bit. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. Now what happened? Now king is digging the land, and the hermit is sitting there. Now in between, for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, the king continually digging the land. He made 2 beds. Okay, what is meant by beds? First of all, beds means wafa. Wafa we make for sowing the seeds, right? So he was making the king made 2 beds, and after that the king stopped, and he felt, now I had did some work for the hermit. Now maybe hermit will answer my questions. And as he asked, okay, I have did these 2 beds for you. Now please tell me the answers of these 3 questions. So hermit stood again, and without replying anything, what he did, he tried to take the spade from the king's hand, but the king did not give the spade. He said, no, okay, you sit. समझ में आया? hermit फट से खड़ा हो गया, और उसने फिर से उसके हाथ से लेके खुद खोदने की कोशिश की. तो राजा ने बोला, नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, तुम बैठो, मैं ही करता हूँ. And again he started digging the land, and in that way he went on digging the land. Now rest a while and let me work a bit. But the king did not. Okay, and after some time, again the hermit stood, and he said, now you are tired, you sit, let me do my work. But the king did not, handed over the spade, and he continued on digging. Okay, so here let us stop for today. Remaining we will see it tomorrow. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very